Good morning, good morning, good morning, and happy Thursday, happy Friday Eve. Oh my goodness. This is the day that the Lord has made. We're rejoicing and we're glad in it. I am Gigi. This is Walking 1K with Gigi. I always encourage you Monday through Friday to get at least 1,000 steps in. But look, you know what? You ain't got no excuse today if you live in the 757. It's starting out this morning, 64 degrees. Oh my goodness. It feels so good. Feels so good. But let me get on with this because I got another great gym nugget, of course. Inspired by our daily bread devotional. And the title is Strength from Struggle. You know, we don't like to go through struggles. We don't like to go through suffering. But Paul reminds us in Romans 5 that there is a positive domino effect even when we go through suffering and even when we go through struggles. It says in Romans 5 3 and 4, it says, but we also glory in our sufferings because we know that suffering produces perseverance. Perseverance, character, and character, hope. You know, again, Paul is not saying that we should celebrate pain or we should feel good when we're going through different types of things or when we when our heart is broken because of different things that happen. But what he is saying, that he will use those struggles, he will use those sufferings to build our character and therefore to build our hope. Oh my goodness. There was a story here. An older man was telling a story about a boy and a butterfly. The boy was given a butterfly cocoon. You know, the butterfly starts out as a little worm, a little pupae, and then it builds this cocoon around it. And then later on, when he breaks out of the cocoon, we have a beautiful butterfly. But when this boy received the cocoon, he noticed that the cocoon had started moving and shaking and all that, and he thought he was going to help the butterfly by cutting the cocoon so that the butterfly could get out. But when he cut the cocoon, he thought, you know, this butterfly was going to be coming out and flying. But the butterfly, once it came out of the cocoon, it fell to the ground and it died. And the little boy was so disappointed. And he wanted to know what happened, what happened. And but what had happened, the boy had prevented the butterfly from using the muscles needed to grow strong and fly. So, and that's what happens when we go through our struggles, because our struggles build up our strength. See, the same strength that the butterfly needed to get out of the cocoon was the strength that he needed to fly. And so as Paul is describing even here, we need struggles. Like I said, we don't like struggles and we don't like to go through heartaches and things like that. But you know what? It builds us up. It builds us up. You know, I think about even us as a people. Yes, when we went through slavery and all those struggles, it wasn't good. But as I'm reminded by Romans 8:28, for we know that all things work together for good for those that love the Lord are called according to his purpose, because it builds us. It builds us even as we go through our struggles and heartaches and so forth. I know for myself, I think about my life, that if that didn't happen, I mean, the bad things didn't happen, it wouldn't have built me up to this place that I am now, to continue to grow and to continue to hope and be strong and to build my character. You know, it's just like, you know, the thought came to me about, you know, how sometimes you have a jar and you're trying to open the top, and sometimes I might ask my husband, to open it for me. But, you know, uh, a lot of times I don't call him. And the more I tried myself, it built like the grip in my hand so that I could open it the next time. I might have to cheat sometime and run some hot water over it to make it expand. But I learned, because if I always depended on somebody else to open that jar, I wouldn't build up the strength in my grip to open it. So it's just something that came across my mind. But there's a domino effect to suffering, as it says here again, and each builds on the thing before. It says suffering produces perseverance, and then perseverance produces character, and then character builds our hope. Oh my goodness, thank you for reminding us, Paul, of the domino effect of our struggles. Oh my goodness. See, I like what it says here. We become more like Christ as we grow in both character and faith in the midst of our struggles. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Paul, for reminding us about the positive domino effect of our struggles. Well. Today is Thursday, so that means that you need to join Pastor JG this evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Gym Nugget for a life study. Y'all know what life study is. It's not only, good morning.
This is nice out here, isn't it?
Beautiful. Oh my goodness. So join us for life study at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We just talking about how wonderful, beautiful day it is. I tell you, you can't get a better day. But please join Pastor JG this evening for life study. Life study is where we not only study the Word of God, but we are learning to apply it to our everyday life. Yeah, we're going to go through some struggles. We're going to go through some heartaches, but it builds us. It builds us. Don't forget that there's a domino effect to our struggles. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the Gym Nugget to get your daily instruction, inspiration, encouragement, you need to do so. We're at, what is it now? 89,208. We're really close to our next benchmark of 90,000 and then 100,000. To God be the glory. But anyway, y'all be blessed. And if you can, get out and enjoy this gorgeous day. Y'all be blessed.